Here we are at the service elevator. It was like, I forget what the name was, but it said it.
That's the address.
There was like a name. It was some fancy thing. U. Ooh. U for up. You can hear it coming. Here it is.
Tight fit.
Oh yeah, I might come on your side here. Want to grab the key for me? Oh, I think it hit that corner there.
I thought it hit that part. We have 3 different doors going on here. I apologize.
Yeah, here. Yeah, we can let that other one close.
Let that one close.
Yeah, oh my god, you're right. There's the cab / Evan view.
Alright.
I kind of like this lighting they put in. Oh my god, it's literally the LED TikTok lights. Probably gonna just... Yeah.
I don't know where we're going. Whoa, what the?
That was not a pleasant sound.
The hatch latch is beeping.
Oh yeah, the hatch latch. Yeah. This is pretty quick for a gated. Yeah, this is not 200.
I don't think the passenger went to basement.
I don't think it did, yeah.
I'm going somewhere, but I don't know where.
Yeah, it's wow, that is a rough stop or start.
Yeah. Oh. Just a BI.
Weird.
SK.
Indicator's spazzing out.
Yep. It's not as weird as the Renaissance Hotel freight elevator.
Takes its time leveling. There's the emergency light. Otis globe. Pretty neat. Alright, and yeah, we can let it close. And there it goes. Bye. I didn't hear the thing click, it's not going nowhere. Or did I shut it, by the way?
That's close.
I'm gonna select the floor so it goes down and we can watch it. Bye.
There we go.
That's it.